DocuSign is a leading platform for creating, sending, and managing electronic signatures. This introduction will guide you through creating signable documents using templates and fields, which are the foundation of DocuSign's workflow automation. Key features include templates for reusable document frameworks, fields for signatures and data collection, and workflow automation to streamline processes. In today's digital age, DocuSign is crucial for businesses aiming for efficiency, security, and scalability, supporting remote work and global operations. Here's a look at the DocuSign interface in action, where you can prepare documents with fields and use templates for efficiency. Templates are reusable document frameworks that save you time. You can create custom templates from scratch or modify pre-built ones. Templates include placeholders for text, images, and interactive fields, allowing you to quickly prepare documents for multiple recipients. To create a template, upload a PDF or Word doc, add the necessary fields, and save it as a template. Use tags like signer1name for dynamic content insertion. Customize your DocuSign templates by incorporating branding elements that reflect your organization's identity. This includes adding your company logo, choosing consistent colors, and selecting appropriate fonts to maintain a professional appearance across all documents. Implement conditional logic to make your templates more intelligent. This feature allows fields to appear or hide based on specific conditions, such as showing additional payment options only when the contract value exceeds a certain amount. Use versioning to easily update your templates without starting from scratch. When you modify a template, DocuSign creates a new version, allowing you to track changes and maintain document consistency while preserving previous versions for reference. Finally, enhance security by configuring settings that protect user information and ensure document integrity. This includes setting access permissions, enabling encryption, and adding tamper-evident features to maintain trust and compliance with regulations. Fields are interactive elements added to documents for data collection and signatures. They allow signers to input information and provide their electronic signatures securely. Core field types include signature fields for e-signatures supporting wet ink, stylus, or click-to-sign. Initials fields provide quick verification. Text fields capture names or other information. Date fields include format validation. Checkbox fields allow for selections. Here's an example of signature and initial fields in a DocuSign document. The signature area shows the signer's name and a secure code, while the initial area provides a quick verification mark. Implement validation rules to ensure accurate data entry. This includes date formats like MMDDYYY, required fields that must be filled, character limits for text input, and email validation. This interface shows how to configure text fields with validation rules, such as setting them as required or read-only, adding tooltips, and setting character limits. Assign fields to specific signers in a sequence. This ensures the right person fills out each field, and the signing process follows a logical order. The interface allows you to select recipients and assign them specific actions, such as signing or providing initials, ensuring each field goes to the correct person. Set reminders and expiration settings to ensure timely completion. Automatic email reminders prompt signers, while expiration dates prevent documents from remaining open indefinitely. DocuSign provides advanced field types beyond basic signatures and text. These include drop-down menus, radio buttons, and formula fields that automatically calculate values. Drop-down fields allow users to select from predefined options, making forms more structured and reducing errors. Radio buttons let users choose exactly one option from a group, perfect for yes/no questions or single selections. Formula fields automatically calculate values such as totals and invoices. For example, adding item prices and tax to get the final amount. Proper placement and routing of fields is crucial. Fields can be assigned to specific signers in sequence, ensuring the right person fills each part. All fields are tamper-evident, with comprehensive audit trails that record every interaction. This ensures security and meets compliance requirements. Creating a signable document in DocuSign is straightforward. Start by selecting a template that fits your needs. Next, use the drag-and-drop visual editor to place fields on your document, add signature fields, text fields, and more. Finally, send the document via email or a secure link to your recipients. With recent AI integrations, you can generate contracts from natural language prompts, reducing manual drafting time by up to 50% for common agreements. A real estate firm uses DocuSign templates for lease agreements, incorporating signature fields and date fields to streamline the process. This reduces closing times from weeks to days by allowing remote signing and automatic notifications. A healthcare provider employs DocuSign for patient consent forms using HIPAA-compliant text fields and checkboxes for data collection. This ensures secure, compliant digital signatures while speeding up patient intake and reducing administrative workload. A startup utilizes DocuSign's free tier to create invoices with payment fields linked to gateways like Stripe. This automates collections through integrated checkboxes and text fields, significantly reducing late payments and streamlining billing processes. Leverage AI-powered features for drafting and automation. DocuSign AI allows you to create contracts from natural language prompts, cutting down manual drafting time by up to 50% for common agreements. Mobile-first design allows for signings on the go. With 70% of signings now mobile-based, DocuSign's apps feature touch-based field placement for easy use on smartphones and tablets. Use multi-language support for diverse users. DocuSign offers voice-to-text features and multi-language options to ensure accessibility and inclusivity in global document processes. Remember that DocuSign aligns with sustainability goals by reducing paper waste. Digital signatures eliminate 90% of paper use in processes like loan approvals and contracts. Explore integrations with blockchain for enhanced security. DocuSign supports blockchain-based notarization and zero-knowledge proofs for tamper-proof, compliant documents. As AI continues to evolve, look for fully autonomous contract lifecycles in the future. By 2030, AI may negotiate terms and enforce compliance without human intervention. Continue to check DocuSign and other sources for up-to-date information as the software constantly changes. Stay informed about new features and integrations.